Hey guys, how you doing? This is Home with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're going to be working on beer mugs. We're going to be actually engraving this with the Cam 5 laser, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I gotta do about 65 of these things. Honestly, I can't remember how many they are, but I'm gonna be engraving them. The little sound that you hear in the background, that's the compressor of the laser, because obviously I got the laser on. So the mugs usually look like this, you know, all nice and shiny, chrome, stainless steel, whatever you want to call this. But whenever we engrave black on this, it's really hard to see, or you cannot see it that good. So what I'm doing is I'm actually sandblasting them to make them turn kind of grayish, and then we spray them with a laser marking, and I'm using Brilliance. That's the one I'm using right now. You spray them with this thing, and it makes the cup look whitish, and that way we can engrave it with the laser. Let me show you what the mug looks like when we spray it. So the mug is going to look white like this because it's being sprayed with the laser marking stuff, this right here. That way we can actually put an image on the mug. So once we sandblast them, they look grayish like this. You know, they turn gray, and this is what the end result will look like. So this is already being engraved after we wash them. So this is the end product. This is the end result. So see how you can actually see the actual black marking on it, or the engraving done by the laser. If I was to engrave it on this right here, well, we actually did a couple of tests on this one right here. You can't hardly see it because of the shininess or the glare that it creates. So we opted to sandblasting the beer mugs to turn them gray, and then we can engrave it. So that's the difference. This one is brand new, and this is the end result. So when they come out of the laser, they actually look like this. They look all blurry and stuff, but then when we wash that out, this is what it looks like. So, but now let me show you where I'm gonna load another cup in the laser, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. Okay, so in one of my videos, you actually saw me building a jig for the laser, so I can actually work on this mugs because they're too big. They don't fit on the laser, so I had to build a jig. So that's why you're gonna see me mounting this on, and then you'll see the process how we do the actual, you know, the entire process of engraving it. So let me bring the camera closer so you guys can see it. And again, I still got 3 boxes. I got 3 boxes right here. I know there's one right here, but I got 2 more right here. 3 boxes I have to sandblast and then coat them and then engrave them. So you're gonna see the process done on the next cup. There's gonna be different images. It's gonna be the same image. It's for a restaurant, but it's gonna be different sayings. Like for example, this one says Ranchito, and then it says Bar and Grill. The one that we're gonna be doing right now is also gonna say El Ranchito, and then the other ones will say like different stuff. So the one that you're gonna be seeing right now is the actual logo for the restaurant. So again, let me bring the camera closer so you guys can see. Okay, so here's the laser, and here's the jig that I was telling you. And again, in one of my other videos, you saw me building this jig right here because the handle of the mug was hitting the bottom or the base of the laser. So I had to build this right here. So all I do is just slide this in place. So that's it. All I gotta do is just slide it in place and then start the laser, and you'll see it. I'm gonna try to make this mug without closing the door so you guys can see the entire process. so this one is done. So all I gotta do is just slide this out, and you'll see it kind of looks like all blurry, right? But once we clean it out, and that just comes off with water, soapy water. It comes off really easy. So once that one is out, we slide the other one in place. I just gotta make sure that the handle is looking straight down, and just start the whole process all over again. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's done. I know you can probably hardly hear me because of all the noise from the laser and all the machines that we have running, but it's already been washed. The other one's still, the laser's still working on it, but this one is already washed. It's done. You know, all we gotta do is just, we just wash it with soapy water, and then that's it. It's done. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Guys, if you're in the market for a laser, don't forget to check out Cam 5 lasers. The one I'm using right now is a CMA 5136. It's a pretty big laser. It does a lot of stuff. So there's a link in the description below to to cam5lasers.com. Click on it, and if you guys are in the market for a laser, check these guys out. Prices are very competitive, very good prices. And also, if you are thinking about buying a laser or laser products, whatever you guys are looking for, check out Cam 5 Laser and use promo code liberty01, and you will get a discount on either a laser or whatever you buy from Cam 5. So again, check them out, and if you are going to buy something, make sure you use liberty01. I don't get any kickbacks. This is entirely for you guys. So just in case if you guys are thinking about using my code and thinking that I'm going to get a kickback, I don't. Trust me, I don't get any kickbacks. Cam 5, however, they send this laser for me to do reviews on it. And with that being said, it's actually today. I think it's today. Yeah, I believe it's today. Today is the 1 year that I've been having this laser. So I'm going to make a review on this laser, see what I think about it after 1 year, and then I will let you guys know what I think about the laser. Would I buy this laser? Is this laser worth it? Is it worth buying a laser this big? All of that good stuff. I will be making that review, the 1 year review on this laser. So again, this is it for this video. It was a pleasure making this video for you guys. If you guys want to see anything else being done with this laser, let me know. That's it. This was an honor and a pleasure of mine. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Or you don't have to ding the bell, but please do consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. God bless you, and bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye now.